Ever wondered why bees are master mathematicians? They've solved a geometric puzzle that humans took centuries to understand. The hexagon is the only shape that holds the maximum amount of honey using the minimum amount of wax. It's nature's most efficient storage unit.